Hey guys, I'm Dipendra from Fixing Pod. Today I'm here to tell you about the 59 apps which have been banned by Government of India. So let's begin. The Government of India recently banned 59 Chinese apps because it found that these apps are prejudiced towards the sovereignty and integrity of India, defense of India, security of state and public order. So these are the 59 apps which have been banned by Government of India. Experts believe that the government has the right to ban these apps for spreading misinformation under Section 69A of Information Technology Act 2000. The Ministry of Information and Technology, while banning these Chinese apps, said that they have received multiple reports and complaints that these apps are misusing, stealing and transmitting users' data in an unauthorized manner to a server which is located outside India. So now, as I have told you about the banned apps, the government order, so now let me tell you why this strict action has been taken against these apps. So recently, in the latest version of iOS 14, there was a privacy feature, and this feature found that TikTok is copying and pasting your keyboard whenever you use it. That means that TikTok has an eye on the clipboard and the keyboard and save your data for future use. I guess now you must be thinking that is it true? Is it a confirmed news? So TikTok in a recent statement said that it is also assuring its user that it will stop practicing such activities. So now, without stretching the video, let me tell you what is the information that TikTok can send back to its server in China. The first is the hardware device ID, such as the IMEI number, the display size, the memory usage and other IDs. The second is the CAC data of your application which are present on your device, and even the applications which have been offloaded from your device. The third is the communication network information, such as the Wi-Fi password, the IP address of your device. And let me tell you that these are the information which you are told not to share with anybody at any cost. Now let me also tell you that this is not the correct manner by which you find that whether your app is stealing the data or misusing the data present on your device. But in the case of TikTok, it is very different, because TikTok as an app on digital platform has a very unethical behavioral history. I would also like to tell you that please be safe in real as well as digital world and select your digital platform in a very responsible manner. Thank you guys for watching my video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing tech videos. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.